Alright, so the first challenge, I have to visit. Oh, I know my mic. Bro, my laptop is glitched. No weird ass dance is this? Yo, how weird is this dance? So I have to use this dance. What's up, Ahmed? Welcome to the stream, bro. Alright, so I have to use this dance. Use Keep It Mellow at Truckers Oasis, Ice Cream Parlor, and Frozen Lake. What? Truckers Oasis, Ice Cream Parlor. Yo, I have to check this out on YouTube. Use use keep it mellow at let's see this.
Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is back here for the Showtime Challenge, and for this one, we gotta go and use Keep It Mellow, which is gonna be a new mode, and we gotta use it on a Truckers Oasis, Ice Cream Parlor, and this one it says use Keep It Mellow at a Truckers Oasis, Ice Cream Parlor, and a Frozen Lake. You gotta complete some other challenges, and then only you guys can actually unlock the reward. It's gonna be Keep It Mellow game mode, and over there, you guys need to cover up near the Paradise Pumps, and once you actually go near that, you need to go near the big gas station where all the trucks are, and over there's gonna be a big sign which is gonna say and so basically this is gonna be the exact place where you guys gotta drop. So make sure you guys open your mini map and pinpoint this exact location that I'm showing you guys, because a lot of people do get confused. Don't get confused. It's actually gonna be a big camel next to it. Just go over there and it's gonna be Keep It Mellow. At the time, but just use the key. It's gonna be Keep It Mellow, and you guys should be done with the challenge. Now the next location that will be going to is actually gonna be at Paradise Pumps again. Just go inside a new game again, or maybe you guys can use your fly gliders and head over to this exact place where I'm going in right now. So this one could be located right over here near the racetrack. So this is gonna be the exact minimap location.
Alright, so the first one is gonna be this.
Yeah, there's gonna be food trucks next to it. This is gonna be the exact ice cream parlor that you
Oh, I
guys
think I know where that is. Hey. Oh, you have to keep it mellow. Shit. I forgot what have to be that done. Yo, I forgot. What's up, Trey and Supreme? Welcome to the stream. I forgot I had to do that dance, bro. I was wondering how I didn't do the challenge. Keys I bought. Now I have to go to the frozen lake. Yeah, you can join them. I have a party, you can join the party. Um, is the stream still up? There's a guy in the... Hopefully he has a max still. Of course it doesn't have as much. What am I talking? What am I talking about? Dude, this is crazy. Is the stream still recording? I don't even know. I'm the only one in the stream right now. Bro, are you dumb? I play Claw. I don't know if I challenge him with 200 material, bro. I'm dead, I only have 200 much. On the dead lows. Uh, yo, how it's going? I've been sub since I saw your BT review. Thanks for the sub, bro. Yo, cheers. Oh, bro. I know I'm about to get smacked, but whatever, bro. I'm in no position to win this game. I only have 300 material. If I win, so be it, bro. Kind of zone. What's this? Yo, this is how solos is. Bro, bro. What? What? I'm dead. I'm dead as can be, bro. Bro, if I win this, God, like, yeah, I don't work today. What? That's a butt. Bro, there's no way I'm supposed to win that game. There's no way I'm supposed to win that game. Got the marshmallow pickaxe. Invite this bozo to the party real quick. I can't even find him. So, man. Yo, you see them quick 5 kills there? Hot. You post on video or something? I've been do that. See who start getting more followers. Lose whole heap. So the man them say you have daily daily. Come go west and see if you can kill people. I need to land I need to land near the thing. And trim them. Yeah, absolutely. I'm trying to learn on a 4 house. Or you stay for blue house. Oh, this sound like the man song. You know one song go pum pum pum. I don't even know if you do one pump up person. Marshmallow have one song where have like something billion views. TikTok sound like it. One chest it up there. Green pump is white. I'm gone. Or somebody else. Don't go over bricks there. I'm going to their house. What features? Features of stuff. I'm a rat bucker. I don't want that air. Get those. Green white SMG or something. Huh? Well, stuff. 7. Alright, 4. Let them wrap around. Apparently. We're spotted that it can be left. What in there? Making for 9 to 5. I'm good. My God. Yo, me hit one for 9 to 5. Okay, Google, stop. Am I get my high? When you need help, there's someone to help you. When you don't need help, you need help. Roof no, brother. Oh, tilted unlooted. There is a mushroom. You know that song, dog? It named something like Alone. And it go. Huh? Yo! That pickaxe is nice. Word. Fortnite can make some good why I'm doing no man say this show said him can make better shit. But now them trolling. And then drop some dumbers. Look at just Oh, tree scar. Where's the hubcap? Yo, look at, look at, look at, look at. Look at. Relax, man. Launch. Yes, launch it. I'm up on a zip line or something. Oh, man, I eat that. I'm trying to go on the other zip line. No, we is nothing on dash way. What? No? You have to do this something for. Yo, man, but somebody pop a balloon. Somebody did a Supreme. Supreme. Oh. Oh, I never. Shoot him, I don't want to take it. You have to do trying them to get the dance. But they have other dance named Marsh Walk. Man, I fight the South. One fighter. Fighter named Hot Daddy. Fear me down something. Shut up. Back up that head. Yo, man, a third party and man, they on high. I think he might jump down. Him jump down. Come on, no. Huh? Can't kill him on them in peace. And I sat there. Sat there. Are you running through something? That thing? Yeah, one more Niagara. I may need no joke. I dip out of the shit. Oh, fuck that. You hear him? Shit. Ah. So we put down chapter 10. Yeah. A 2, but you know kill one. Me trap kill 2 of them there then. Me hear the man them in the bush and all that. Yo, look how much shield back here. How the fuck? Drop bob minis and big pot and everything. One mini. What the? Oh, yeah, Musa. Put on the med kit. Or whatever. I'm gonna take a shoot. I want post in. Really? You couldn't put on it? You might keep around with this so you can get on something. Oh, you have an empty set. Yo, what you all going for still? Like, why campfire? Campfire? Yeah, so a new update. 2 man in there, no? You see? You should have wait. 2 sweaty man. Him my butt, but in teammate. Stink. Can't trap him, man. Yo, man, I shoot it. Oh, the bell. I don't wanna come down. Can I put on... Reaction time, dog. Slow this up. No, for everyone here, pin say, yo, forward. Can't run one. So I got to do change. Yeah, back out something. I know, nigga, but it's easier, you know, solo. But whatever. Just imagine the scene of them places. Just imagine how much people are going to do there. We not lobby no venom.
You know, I feel like a lot of Instagram is so. It's like a damn boom, flick on the dick, make him come quick. I be getting money, mad, you a bum bitch. This jacket I actually bought in Amsterdam, and I've never. It's nice though. I mean, it has the flares at the back and that. The detail, mad. Like some bikers, man type of thing. I want to buy it. Man, I'm lose my mind with you.
When I go yourself first. I need to get one plane. I need to get one plane. I get one plane, I try to get one plane. I found one. God's willing. And then howl. If we did it mellow dance. Okay. Yeah. Alright, my phone now. Oh, it's so big. Wait, it's all this. Jump out of the plane. Forward back through. Oh? Oh, no, Supreme. You see him. Yo, we done him. Yo, them a fight again. Forward. Count dip, count dip. Count dip, count dip. Dip, 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 dip. Venom, 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 venom. Ready, venom. Dip, 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 dip. Jump, jump, jump. Let me see, let me see. Supreme fall. Could have dip long time, you know. The AK would have killed me with lick, brother. 40. Done me doing that game. Yo, me get my chance already, you know, so I try ox out something. Alright, it's Supreme dead. That dipper is come on, can I restart? Alright, whatever, alright. Let me can look for them up. They can come out of the plane and try to put on some bandage on each round. Not now. Oh, the man them find the shield though. Got that? I don't know. Look at shield man. I hope we just land over here for next. We get about 5 kilos over here. You get it? That's around a paradise. Back a paradise around this. Near retail. She's Supreme, could I get it? Yeah, pickaxe. What? No. We're on, where we on go? Not 15 around the mountain. Alright, at a pink place right. Yo, that sounds like somebody for the 690. But like But like, that bootleg marshmallow skin looking ass. I mean it reactive, but only when you're swinging. I don't know why they never label it as reactive. It's a Black History Month, mate. Because what is it? Saturday, brother. Supreme, why you jump for Supreme negative challenge? Rip in the chat, boys. Forget that only cheers this. No, they need to keep cheers, and change squad to quads. Or sometimes it's easier to play cheers, duo cheers. The pickaxe sound just like the song. That's it. Come on, that sound so closer, Billy. You get Uspa. Me want other chest. My abon. Gunny by the way. Blue AK on heck. What's the play right here, bit? Get that a little basketball. Oh, people load decent for one tactical green one. One big pot too. Big pot free in this. Oh no, it's just One at the pound way. High or low? The low. Fuck up that cousin. Don't pump this. You have sniper with? They always come. Down me. Oh yeah, the loot. Dead, bro. Yo, man, I like one another revive, man. I'll be looking. Shit dumb as hell. I tell her. Try to get high ground. Run gun. Come back here, some venom. Come back here. Come on, come down, man. Come on, come. Him there on me, must set me. Why people do that, dog? You have to kill someone. I'm playing. They're above you. So the trap now work. I'm playing, solo. Damn minute. What is damn fool? Yeah, man. Okay. Yo, yo. The fuck? I'm not sure the dubs. I always have shit on come on. Yeah. My left one. Okay, bad. Because Luke gonna lose him thumb. You have to kind of play claw when you have Bill and it. Oh, what? Me did, yeah, join up. Ain't easy. Gone. Can't see. Me get there this so you can't see. But shit, gonna get ready. It's too loud, isn't it? It's not loud, but it kinda get away. I'm gonna use it for event though. He play one of famous song them with name Alone. We have like 1 billion views. Right now, if I go over here, so probably can get some kill. Cause when I change them off for dance over here, so. 4 people in the stream, welcome. Earthed. How can I run in this? Whenever they look on me, my monitor. Shit. Much people are over the town. One chest it up, sir. What that bill while ago? This game ace. Enough people over there now. They want to over there. But it's whatever, man. I'll go over there first. Just. You see it? The pickaxe sound like it. I must hear the song already. Why are you sorry for this? I heard that. Man, I got people here all I kill. We hit those, buddy. Huh? Oh, other turn, Jonathan. Yo, what today's squad? You think so? Try it out. Got a beautiful parking ready. 5 people in the stream. Let's see if we could get 5 likes right now. You can do it. hide him, hide. Oh, but a long way to go. Shit. I don't see no planes. This guy doing? I might have to push him. Sometimes you just gotta push him. There might still be a guy up there, but I don't know. Oh, sometimes you just gotta push him, stream. Even though I'll probably die from this time right now. Should probably get that plane. This is one of the reasons why I don't mind vehicles in the game, but I don't know, man. Vehicles be toxic sometimes. Oh, we got 5 likes. Let's go. Thanks for the 5 likes, yeah. I appreciate it. I really need this drop. Jump. This guy up here, ooh, super high ground. Are you kidding me? There's someone in the house. What's up with all this screaming right now? Yo, everyone. Wow, I'm a butt. I had that guy, bro. Just, I had him. Oh, I had him, bro. Honestly. I had him so bad. Now he's done. I can't believe I let this guy kill me, bro. Honestly. None of my air shots were hit where I'm hitting him. Like legit none. Easy win, bro. I replaced his wall and everything. I don't know how this guy killed. Legit no shots were hitting him. Should we watch this or no? How many launch what does this guy? This kid's a butt. I bet this guy can't remember. Reload your RPG, dummy. Yo, this one need to reload his RPG. Yo, I could have been clapping these kids right now. Ah. None of my AK shots register, bro. Like, none. Hit the guy for, I hit him for 126 in the head. And then I knew his one shot. No bullets hit this man. Then he died stupidly. Oh, so the pickaxe. You still out your stream, bomb, sir? Rip. Things out for so. Wait, oh, I saw something about snowfall skin out. New Fortnite song. What's that? Oh, chop use X for edit too. I guess I look and switch. Now you can find that you learn some. You're up behind me. I wanna behind me. Something like you from the islands. I try. I take fight. This guy's just chasing me, bro. I don't know why I ran towards him. That is stupid. Don't play. I knew I had no mats and I still tried to build. I don't know why I did that. That's the most stupid thing you could ever do. You don't have material and you're trying to build. How does that make sense, bro? Makes no sense. Makes no sense, bro. I tried to challenge that guy, but I had no mats. You know, sometimes I don't know. The game just wants somebody today. That's how I see it. Running around with a hunting rifle all along. Bear shields for no reason. When you want shields, you can't find shields. Oh, this glider is actually sick. Llama. Crazy. Everybody's fiending for that llama. There, that doghouse. Look what they gave me stream. A revolver chance. Two great attacks, appreciate it. Hunting rifle. My loot is phenomenal. I can ask for more for it. Three chests, no shields. Finally. Christ. These guys are sweat. This tuck. Out of my game, buddy. This guy almost trap killed me with his butt-like movements. Crazy. In that llama mats, boy. Crazy. See that kid trying to trap kill me, y'all? Crazy. He almost got me with it too. Let's pull up on these Abathathons over here. Let's see what they're working with. I might die. Might survive. I really don't want this. He's getting pressured from where? RPG, guy on him. Somebody's launching. Plane behind me. Like, what's going on, buddy? I'm suicidal type. Suicidal thought. Suicidal type with it. Look at that long run again. It's Rapathons. That run's crazy. Push a belly. What? Houdini? Where is this kid? Watch him. Good like. He's good like. He's crazy. I have to run. I'm dead. RIP. R.I.P. R.I.P. to my friend them way pasangan. Only I know. I know them kill your fun. I know them kill your fun. Oh boy. What's that? Nothing. Nothing? I need to learn to use the cars for final whip. Probably not gonna find a whip though. Oh no, this looks makeable right now. to be honest. Plain man on me. Yo, pick me up, bro. I'm so flaky. Scoop me, fam. That's on kinda gay, to be honest. Bandage up one time for the one time. There are hella bandages there. Oh, look at that kid. What is he doing? Imovelli. I got Beamatrons. You want smoke, Buddytrons? Don't you ever run up on a nigga like that again, kid. You look stupid. You look big stupid. Don't let me ever see you do no dumb shit like that again, boy. I'm Big Marsh. Bro, why Epic keeps trying, like, they're trying to let the game end that pleasant? Crazy. What? Sniper man? Crazy. I don't trust him, stream. I don't trust him. I don't trust him. Leave me alone. He's godlike. Yo, the teaming. The teaming! Bro, I don't trust this kid, bro. Yo, he's the best butt I've ever seen. Look at him. Look at him. What? Look at this butt. The best one. The movement. This guy with 1 kill now, bro. I'm sleep. I hate this game. Bruh. I'm about to take a share real quick. To be honest, a quick one though. Bro, look at this guy. 1 kill. I could have dropped a 10 kill right here. But nope. I don't know, I just couldn't kill that guy. I was scared of him. He's good like. Good like. No, I'm not sure. No. I don't know. Let's not watch these butts. You might get bad at the game. I can't believe I don't know, I've been dying to some weird people. That's a factual statement, brother. I don't know why I was scared of that guy. He was just I couldn't hit him and he was hitting me hard like he killed me like 2 times. That AK nasty. Don't have ace on play. Real quick. What time you start stream? I don't know. Probably around 9. No, probably around 8. I don't know. I don't know, buddy. Two games now, I died to some bots, bro. I'm done. I am finished. I am finished. What do you guys think about the new marshmallow skin? It's crazy. 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 With this bot bling, whew, I'm the cleanest kid on the block right now. Oh, I need to learn at Haunted for a change. Why not do it now? I need to learn at Haunted and I need to dance on that dog head up there. Crazy. I know. I know. This glider, sick as hell. The skin, sick as hell. This back bling, crazy. As I said before, this just goes to show how Epic could make some really good skins, but instead, they keep dropping ass cheeks. I don't even know how to loot over here. Get just. Alright. Somebody's finna pull up on me, bro. I can feel it. Get up out of here with that weak shit, dog. With that weak shit. With that weak shit. To be honest, I thought I was suicidal type. But I survived. Oh, look at that run. Rip. I heard they don't have pumps are haunted. Is it true? It's nothing, yeah. This game might be a rip. Yo, I have 160 ping. Welcome to the stream, Mike K. What's good, bro? What's good, bro? Oh, there's a guy here. No, don't leave. No. And what? In Buttertrons. I don't know why I disturbed that guy. I just had to tag him. I like tagging people for fun. I tag kids for fun. Wait, what? Challenge? No? Okay. Okay. Oh no, we're not dying today. Alright, we probably are. We probably just might be dying. Probably. I think we should check this chest. Alright, let's go. We'll be fine, we'll be fine. I've done this before. Yeah, it's nothing new. I don't know why that challenge didn't work. To be honest. To be honest, like... Yo, I probably should check if there's rifts up there, but I don't know, it's risky. No whips? No whips? If there's no whips down here, it's a wrap. Yeah, I'm dead. It was fun while it lasted. Can't believe there's no cars down here, bro. Crazy. Yo, there might be planes up here. Let's go. Let's go. Please. Planes. There's no planes up here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I told you guys. I mean, I'm not surprised. I've been doing this. Like, honestly. Escaping storms. It's a breeze. It's a breeze for me. I've been escaping storms, to be honest. Let's be honest right now. Let's be honest. Yo. Yo, I was trying to do the maths, but I don't know, bro. It didn't work. It didn't work. I thought the campfire would save me. Ah, let's act like we didn't see that. Yo, why is my challenge not working? You're supposed to dance on the dog head. Isn't that the dog head right there? Final stage, dance on top of a giant metal dog head. Bruh. Isn't that a giant metal dog head? Anyways, land that shifter shafts. Let's land that shifter real quick. Alright, land that shifter real quick. Bet. Bet. Alright, let's try to get this dub. Because I'm gonna take a shower after this game. I don't know, I might end the stream, I might let the stream stay on. I don't know, bro. still has the snow down here. Pro tip, always use your shields. Don't try go looking for the minions. Just use. The snow's still here. Yo, sir, launch pads are common now. I'm not complaining, but appreciate it. Wait, I thought they took these out of the game. Or was the bolt? Alright, bro. Yeah, I actually love the skin. What the hell? Yo, how is that snowman gonna just spawn right there? Like everything's cool. Oh, let me just spawn in the rock right here. You know? Cause why not? What's this, bro? What's this angle? Yo, the skin does look like it just makes me happy. I don't know why. Dope ass skin, bro. I don't hit those. What play do you, Chevy? Another best Jamaican. Yeah, you can play duo if you want. No problem, bro. Blue Tuck goes crazy. What do you guys think about this new skin? Crazy blue pumps right now. Yeah, after this game. Alright, so I did the land that shifted challenge. I don't know what's next, to be honest. I think the next one is the final one. To be honest with you. I'm gonna check real quick to see if like there's nothing at tilted. Storm's coming in though. Or to see if there's an ATV up here. Quad crasher. Whatever they call it, bro. Bro. Yo, there's a guy on a quad crasher right now. Laser on me. I don't hit those. I don't hit those. I need to practice how to ride these things. No homo. Weak ass chest. Yo. Yo, I need to go into creative and practice how to use it. I see some people use it like right across the map. I don't know how to use that shit. I'm not gonna act like I know how to use that shit. Yo, this, I don't know, bro. It was an awkward fight. Oh, you need to half boost it. Oh, that makes sense. Yo, I don't know what the hell this one. Bombshell? Bombshell? I guess we could play trios. Should be my beat for that. Yo, I don't know, bro. The RPG. Bombshell, your phone? Wait, what did I just do? I just joined that kid's game? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. No way. No way I just joined this game. What? This game, this kid's gonna save the world. Bruh. Yo, I invited to the party real quick. King, 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 king. Uh, yo, you're appearing offline? Bro, so we're already friends on PSN. KXNG KXNG KXNGJR. I think this is you. 13 mutual friends. That has to be you, bro. Yo, bombshell. Bombshell. Mm. I play trios. Trio. Me, you, and King. Join up, King.
Yeah, accept my friend questions.
My accept it. No, me send you a friend request actually. So many friend requests. Hi, this is please. Nope.
What attack us, bombshell? Why?
Yo, King, what your real name? What your first name?
My first name? Giovanni.
Giovanni. Yo, so much people. Giovanni. Crazy. Alright, giant Giovanni.
No, it's King. Yeah, talk about Jevy. You know?
Jevy. Alright,
Shot my invite. I'm gonna see it.
Jevy. The dance. Yeah. No,
The
them
dance
people.
fresh. This kid, I'm happy.
Yeah, for real. That just say nice stream. Like whenever I'm weird, just I don't know. It's mellow.
Ah, you're mega good now.
I
Check
forgot
that
add
out.
it on Epic or something. I don't know. To the dancer.
You bombshell in the lobby?
Yeah.
I join through bombshell. If you see me.
You can. Yeah. Oh, I just. Make no sound. And I like 3 dances, like one. So you always
Get
change.
up on Team Rumble.
Milan over
Okay.
Oasis place and get 5 kill. Nobody know no gun. Over Paradise. Near Paradise, the truck stop.
So who buy the marsh walk? The marshmallow walk. Kinda go feel left out 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock I dog concert.
Today? I think tomorrow.
Yep. No, today second. No, tomorrow. True.
Venom with the clip. Yeah, bombshell.
Everybody I remake Resident Evil 2.
What?
Need copy.
What a snipe.
All the pickaxe, actually. Yeah, pickaxe.
You get the pickaxe free when I do the challenges.
Brother.
You get the pickaxe free when I do the challenge. Like, something dead a while ago. And now they change. Flying over Pleasant Park. They activate the change.
Pleasant Park?
Yeah. The line at the stadium or the stage, whatever it be. Stage. Land near it, land funny. And
It's a visit them.
yeah. No. Right, yes sir. And you can't build on the stage, so no go near it. Like no go on it. You can't beam.
Datang sen pada kamu apa ya? Gimana?
At a hot drop though.
If him land at the house in there, I know land before me.
Give me something just. No. My shotgun.
Nah, I'm none. Shotgun. Maka shotgun. The God chest me get.
What you get?
A chug jug and a gold AK. Listen, come out of chest me. I'm having a man now.
You get the challenge? Bombshell?
I'm gonna go over there.
Bombshell, they didn't hear. People at your left, watch out.
Okay, bombshell again, boy. Then for go over here, now.
Yeah, I forgot literally. Over there, but
I'm gonna get it.
you probably get the honor, yeah. Our friend in land at the house, yeah. So,
It stopped me. Wait, I'm look if me get it. I don't been for some kitchen now. Oh, me just get it. Fuse, keep it at. So you get the pickaxe Friday. You feel like a tryhard in watch him. On blue pump. Grab the blue pump now. Look up out of that, man. Yeah, that's first thing about you, dog. They got that first. It's about that. It's about that. One little punch. Last time. Yeah, killer. Yeah, sweat.
don't know youth. The
Yo, Venom. You want to rematch here? You want to rematch here? Let's make you do that for now. Of course. Bombshell. Bombshell. Tell him same stuff na my you dog. Tell him na. Soft.
yeah, play the real game, and whenever we get space, I'll let you know. Good John. Just send me a friend request.
And subscribe to the channel.
Nah. I'm more subscriber. I'm couldn't so cool.
Wanna fit default in front then. But I really don't, yeah. You should give you that. You said that. Yeah.
Wherever you, it's either you want to go, yes sir. Yes sir. Or yes sir. You want to go first? Yeah. Not for
Yeah,
this in
click
a
that
one
one
game. Not for this in a one game. But me do it in a
Oh.
one game.
So come again for use up. Alright.
But you have to do the
That one
dance so
a
you get.
closer.
You have to use the dance so you get. That's another fun.
Almost land a refill like a refill more.
Though I always feel bad when people want to join up.
The worst trap ever right as about that is standing by your side.
Softly.
Blame some grandfather, let me know that. Which part it then, huh?
Right at the ice cream place right here.
Inside of that?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Yeah. Next one.
Psych!
Come in, bombshell after you, come in.
People are over there now, but made it up.
Yeah, but
Yeah, man, we're gonna. Somebody shoot up there?
Hey.
I'm bugging.
man
Yeah.
for the hill, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my line way perfect. Watch this.
It's
My
like a
dance?
banana shield.
Yeah.
Man, I come for it.
Splash radius. Him drop no AR.
Oh. That was shorter.
Yeah, forward.
Movements.
Didn't
Right.
get that. Yeah, man, I'm getting sniped, bro.
Yeah, man.
Didn't actually take damage already.
Good job! You turned it down yourself.
I throw one boombox on the ground. Yo, what? Oh. Yeah. I don't emote the dog. My friend, your friend. I say what? Somebody in the plane. Imagine somebody in the plane right now. Oh, this is a long flight.
At man na ada plane. Be this.
Plane. People are nowhere.
Yeah, King. Yeah, got you. Yeah. Yeah, people are nowhere.
People are not here.
We done it now one, like, where you?
Yo, people there as well. I'm on this, King.
Come on, one shot. That's a very nice shot.
Thank you. You could have gone so far. Oh.
One kill me, and people are shooting inside.
Oh, slip juice up cup. Watch.
Yo,
I'm done with that game. I can't revive him on
that's a
that.
nigga calling. When I get reds, oh.
Come for the sniper this time. On RPG. Boy. Purple Kovac. Are you kidding me? 5 bullet knife. Damn.
Black what? Did not use something at the current moment.
I never know said the ice lead all the way over so that this the waterfall frozen. No one try go past and see if we can find a rift. Yeah, but me never come over here so before. So I expect.
Never?
No. It's the ice shit. I'm not coming over.
Did no one screams?
Nope. Malan tomato town.
Ball! Go in there! Yeah! Pass me!
Up on the chest there. This game bugging.
Bring my ice pop.
Look at the damn chest there, dog. Hate that game. I know some loot there drop down. I was game this.
Nah, more attackers. Oh, we had to show the entire game.
I mean, I make it light up. All night playing and so on. No, nothing, you know that. No much. And if you just land upon a team and kill them.
Didn't have ammo to show me.
I tell them I have 5 air bullets.
No man.
TJ, yo, what do you support a creator code? Rather use the Audi code. mad. Yeah man, support the creator code is Chevy underscore Gaza.
Don't.
Just use it in the item shop. Respect for that, CJ Williams. Appreciate it. Huh? Support the yard man, huh? Our king did that.
You can cut. You loot cross line.
Man, them loot up us out. Terrible. Yo, man, turn back. Man did it, I hide. Right behind the first thing I ever, yeah. You know? One shot. I'm sure I'll serve this effort.
No man, over here so untouched. You see man.
Yo, if you see man, I try hide from the plane, dog. Funny.
But I'm in the loot paradise, brother.
Dog, look on butt bling. Thing looks sick. So yo, what am I on teammate them? And what happened while ago? We drive through the rift.
Teammate come to. I think.
Me hate Venom. Watch him. I'm gonna say I was on the phone. Couldn't get the balloon in there. Over here's a hut. Da, look on the balloon man, right? Look on them man come out of the storm on the top with balloon. We need to go behind them. What I do? Da, them dog, I be people there, yes brother. I rethink on life. People there everywhere, bro.
Yeah, fuck.
Him dip on you? I trade them, you know. Come on, tag me, dog. Come on, there, man. One up on the hill. Dog.
I wouldn't my aim up.
Work 28 seconds.
White.
Man, I don't know what go.
Knock. TTV by the way.
Me have one. Yo, bombshell, the whole squad that, no, brother. Hit up one.
I squad that way. We just coming up.
We beam them. All them get beamed. I come for high with it. One other friggin' squad there. Dog, what going on, so dog? Dog, what the flip are going? Dog. People there everywhere. I cut my cut. Who did I see me? I be him one brother. Somebody can't come revive you.
Are we versing?
Oh my god. I missed that dog. Dog, what's up with my aim right now? Might have your high ground.
You see last one?
No.
You kill him? I want you there in the way.
Yo, I'm gonna get some mutts.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Kill the who?
You want TTV, you tell me nothing to change.
That shit at 9. And maybe come and thief the kill.
Another more check. What? Oh, it's a win stream. We'll catch up.
Can we play? GG, yep. Use
We
code.
can't move forward now, charge.
Alright, I'm going on. I'm gonna take a small 15-minute break.
Oh, you call 15-minute break in now.
I'm gonna eat something. Hungry. I stream from like 8 a.m. or 9 or that.
So if somebody party leader, we'll both.
Wait, King I stream?
Hey, y'all read me?
Yeah. 4
I'm
people
stuck.
though. Alright, man, I'm taking a 15-minute break. So everybody just go over to this channel. I'm gonna post in the comments right now. He's gonna start his stream. Alright, BRB.